What's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. In today's video, I am going to be testing out and reviewing some products that I've seen around. I'm not exactly sure what their deal is. Eden BodyWorks. And I found these at Walmart. I don't know if you guys have spotted them around or anything, but I've seen them a couple of times here and there, and I finally decided, why not give them a try? So I picked up their leave-in conditioner, and I also picked up the natural curl defining cream. So the purpose of these products, according to the description of them, they're supposed to be very moisturizing, very defining, anti-frizz. I personally love very moisturizing products, especially my hair being processed. I definitely look for that definition, but more of like a soft definition, and I want it to last. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. So of course I'm going to be starting out with the leave-in conditioner. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, definitely has a coconut shea butter smell, which they're called coconut shea butter or coconut shea on the bottle. Definitely has that smell. Okay, so the texture, it is a little bit, it's not exactly thin. It's like a medium to thin consistency. That's what it's, very creamy. It smells really good. Just like your typical coconut shea butter mix scent. It's kind of what you would expect it to smell like. Okay, so we're attacking these ends first, of course. I don't feel anything special. It's not hard to go through my hair. Of course, my hair is detangled, washed and detangled before this, but I mean, I can feel it in there, but I don't notice anything. Like there's no extra slip going through my hair, you know, like gliding through. It's just a regular smegula leave-in. Okay, so I have the leave-in throughout my hair, and like I said, I don't notice anything special. It didn't have any extra slip or anything like that. It didn't feel smooth going throughout my hair. It just felt like me putting product in, like a simple product, a basic product. This also says coconut shea, and it says that it's a medium hold. So it looks like it's pretty thick. Oh yeah, it's definitely a thicker, it's a cream. Almost like a butter. Super thick. Oh yeah, this is very thick consistency. It's like sticking. I don't know if you can tell. Very creamy too. The smell isn't as strong as the leave-in conditioner. I can't even say that it smells like coconut. It almost doesn't have a scent, but there is a scent. It's weird. All right, so let's go ahead and apply this. All right, so this definitely feels very creamy and thick going through my hair. It's not hard to get through, but it definitely is a slower process than, it doesn't just glide right through. It's thicker, and I can feel it like on my strands and everything. So as I'm like running my fingers through, It's like I'm going a little bit slower trying to get it through. So I don't know what that says about the product. All right, so I have the product, the curl defining cream, thoroughly distributed throughout my hair, and I feel like it's looking good so far. It's looking promising. I feel that there's going to be some good definition, and I don't know, we'll see. I always get nervous because sometimes I'm nervous that it's not going to turn out good. Sometimes I'm like, oh, it looks like it's going to be really good, and then it turns out not as anticipated. So this looks like it's going to be a good wash and go result. And like I said, my curls, I already see some definition there, and even just the curl pattern, it's already starting to curl up a little bit. So far, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and let this air dry, and I will be back to show you the finished results. I am back, and my hair is 100% dry. Let's go ahead and go in for the close-up. So as you can see, the frizz is at a minimum, at least around, you know, surrounding my hair. The definition, it looks pretty good to me. I feel that my curl definition is there and my curls formed nicely. Now, this is exactly what I'm talking about. If you watch my last video where I wasn't necessarily feeling how the results came out using the Flawless products by Gabrielle Union, you can see that my curls are formed nicely. They're not wonky looking. It looks good. It's defined. So this is what I look for. The definition in between. There's not like a lot of frizz pockets or anything like that. I mean, there's frizz in my hair, but it's nothing crazy. So I'm loving the definition. I'm loving the way that my curls formed. I love the way my hair feels. It feels very moisturized. I don't know, it feels really good. And also the hold, there's like a light cast to it, nothing crazy, but I didn't really have to scrunch it out much or anything. It feels good. It feels like it's gonna last me the whole week if I wanted to. I don't know, I'm pleased. I am very happy with how it came out. Like I said before it even started to dry, it just looked like it was going to be a good wash and go, and I'm so glad that it was. Overall, my first impressions and review on the Eden BodyWorks. Eden BodyWorks. That's a weird name for hair products, but maybe they have body care products. I don't know. They probably do. But my first impressions, my first thoughts, my review on these products, the leave-in conditioner and the curl defining cream, 2 thumbs up. I am very happy with how they both work together in my hair. I will definitely be using these again, and I would totally recommend to anybody with similar hair type to mine to give these a try. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I Truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.